Hello friends, welcome back to our Animal Logic channel. In today's episode, we are going to tell you about 10 amazing axolotl facts you never knew. Before starting this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. So let's start. Number 10, axolotls have the ability to regrow their own limbs. Have you heard about it? This is not just a plot of a superhero movie. It is a reality for these amazing amphibians. In the wild, if they lose their tail to an aggressive predator, they can easily replace it with a new one. However, if their limbs are bitten off by a predator, they will be able to regrow them only when they are juveniles. And in some cases, the regrown limb may not be functional and can cause difficulty for the animal while swimming. But despite all of that, the fact that they can regrow their limbs makes them special. Number 9, the lifespan of an axolotl can exceed 10 years in captivity. These cute little creatures can live up to 15 years if they're given proper care. However, most of them do not live beyond the age of 8 years in the wild. Their lifespan in the wild is shorter than in captivity because in the wild they are exposed to many dangers such as predators, diseases, etc. Although sometimes it is difficult to keep them alive even in captivity due to lack of proper care. Number 8, axolotls have internal gills. As you can see from the name, axolotl are part of the salamander family, which means they belong to the group of amphibians. Amphibians need to keep their skin moist in order to survive. Axolotls spend most of their time in water. Therefore, they breathe through the oxygen dissolved in it. For this purpose, they have special internal gills that extract oxygen from the water. These gills look like feathery structures that are located on either side of the head. They are pink in color and very delicate. Since the axolotl lives in water, it uses its gills to get oxygen instead of lungs. Number 7, axolotls are known for their unusual color variations. Even though they are usually brown or black, they also come in white, pink, and golden colors. There are also albino axolotls, but no matter what color they are, they all have one thing in common. They're beautiful. The white axolotl is one of the most sought after variations by pet lovers around the world. They are truly unique animals that can add a touch of magic to your home. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, don't miss it. It will be an experience that you won't forget. Number 6, axolotls have poor eyesight. Yes, you heard it right. Axolotls have poor eyesight. They cannot see clearly and have difficulty distinguishing between light and dark. Despite this, they are still able to find food and navigate their environment thanks to their other senses such as smell and touch. It is believed that their poor eyesight is due to their adaptation to life in dark, murky waters. In their natural habitat, they rely more on their other senses to help them survive. This includes their sense of smell, which is highly developed, allowing them to detect prey and potential predators from a distance. Their sense of touch is also keen, allowing them to feel vibrations in the water around them, which can alert them to danger or indicate the presence of food. While it may seem like a disadvantage to have poor eyesight, it has actually allowed the axolotl to develop other senses that are essential for its survival. Number 5, axolotl are neotenic. What does that mean? Neoteny is the retention of larval traits in a species of amphibian. In other words, the axolotl retains its larval features throughout its life. This allows it to stay in water throughout its life. Unlike other salamanders, which typically live both on land and in water, axolotl retain their external gills, which allow them to breathe underwater, and their small underdeveloped limbs, which make them more agile in the water. This neotenic state is thought to be an adaptation that allows axolotl to exploit the resources available to them in their native habitat, such as the abundant supply of aquatic prey. It also helps them to avoid predators that may be active on land, such as birds and mammals. Number 4, axolotl are critically endangered. As mentioned earlier, these beautiful creatures are only found in Mexico. Unfortunately, they are currently at risk of extinction in the wild. Habitat loss due to climate change and pollution are the main reasons for their decline in numbers. Also, they are often captured for the pet trade, which further endangers their population. The good news is that there are organizations working to protect and conserve the axolotl. One of the main efforts is to raise awareness about their plight and to educate people about the threats they face. By learning more about axolotl and the challenges they are facing, we can all do our part to help protect them. Number 3, axolotl have a high tolerance for low oxygen levels. As you know, most fish and other aquatic animals need a lot of oxygen to survive. However, axolotls are an exception. They can survive in environments with very low oxygen levels, which makes them unique among aquatic animals. This adaptation allows them to thrive in stagnant waters where other animals would suffocate. They achieve this by slowing their metabolism down and reducing their oxygen consumption. This ability enables them to inhabit bodies of water that are not suitable for most other animals. Number 2. An axolotl can regenerate its entire nervous system. The axolotl has a remarkable ability to regenerate its entire nervous system after an injury. This includes its brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. After an injury, the axolotl's body begins to break down the damaged nerve tissue and then rebuild it from scratch. This process is similar to the way the body heals a broken bone, but it is much more complex. The regeneration process is controlled by a group of specialized cells called neural crest cells. These cells migrate to the site of the injury and begin to divide and differentiate into the various types of nerve cells that are needed to repair the damage. The entire process can take several months to complete, but the results are truly amazing. The regenerated nervous system of an axolotl is fully functional and can even restore vision in blind axolotls. Number 1, an axolotl can regenerate its heart. It is a well-known fact that axolotls have the ability to regenerate their limbs, tails, and even parts of their brains. But did you know that they can also regenerate their hearts? It's true. If an axolotl's heart is damaged, it can regenerate the entire organ from scratch. This incredible ability was discovered in 2013 when scientists amputated the hearts of axolotls and found that the animals were able to grow back healthy hearts within a few weeks. Scientists are still trying to understand how the axolotl is able to regenerate its heart, but they believe that it has something to do with the animal's unique ability to activate dormant genes. That's all for today, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. If you want to watch more videos like this, click on the video right above or below. Thanks for watching.